So as you probably saw in the title of this video, I want to share with you very basic workflow aka editing thing. This gonna works only if you take these pictures in the same camera settings, so you know every shot it's kind of the same. This is what I try to do at that certain situation. It's not always like that because you know the light is changing. So as you could see, I'm in my Luminar Neo catalog, and let's see what we have here. I was already going home, and then I was like just passing a point when you see this beautiful view. There were some people, and I was thinking, it's not gonna work because I thought nobody's gonna be here. And then I just start shooting to see what's gonna happen. Actually, some of them looks pretty good straight out of camera. See this beautiful sun hidden behind the clouds. Okay, let's find some cool frame. Alright, I think this looks pretty cool. This girl drinking a wine, they're chatting, enjoying a moment. It's still a sunset, but almost blue hour. So the first thing first, what I will do is go to my edit, and it's super important. I go to develop, and first you have to open, you see here, it's a camera profile. If you don't have your camera profile, that's gonna be tricky, especially when you do raws. This is all raw. Open that, and then you see I have downloaded camera profiles for my Canon R6, plus I have some Adobe standard camera profiles. Because this picture is not that complicated, so you don't have to go straight into, you know, I don't know, because it's a landscape, to go to the landscape. But you see the changes. Before I do any edits, this is the first thing. Before I do anything with the picture, this is the first thing I do. So I will scroll through all the profiles and choose whatever I like for that moment, whatever mood I want to get. Standard. What I want to do, it's like I'm not really focused on the people on this picture. They're kind of foreground, so I just want to focus on these beautiful colors behind them. So yeah, you see this is really beautiful colors. Neutral, portrait, standard again, neutral, landscape. The landscape kind of work for me. Let's see, without, with. Yeah, so this is where I start. I'm gonna go to landscape. Now I want to go down. You could see that if I bring the shadows, see what's happening here. But I want to bring the highlights down, which is going to bring even more colors behind to this beautiful sun. The plane is flying above my head. It's amazing because I'm literally living in the middle of nowhere. I'm 12 kilometers from the last asphalt road. Alright, so he's passing. Here you have this little eye icon, so you could always click to see how the picture looks before you do any changes between this and that. I kind of like that. That's the effect I really like. Let's see what the white is gonna do. It's even gonna darker this. This is gonna brighter. We don't want that. Oh baby, I like these. Okay, then color. It's basically, first I will start with my white balance. So I shot this at 5346 Kelvins. Let's see how is this gonna do in the daylight. Okay, it brings some blues and greens. Cloudy. Ooh, I like this one. Shade. I like this one even more. And then I go again back to this eye icon. You see the difference? So we started like this with the raw. Now we have these. I think it looks kind of awesome. What I like to do as well, go to this creative AI tools. I want to see if this is gonna do anything for me. And then I check the eye icon, which is going to show me how the picture looked before I add these adjustments. That's really do thing for me. I have moods as well. So I have you have your standard moods, which are coming with the software, and I have my custom ones. I'm gonna go through all of them to see, like this 5. So if I go here, up and 5, okay. Oh, I like this one. Oh, this one brings even more colors, a little bit more contrast. Oh, I like this one, 8. Let's see the 8. Doesn't change much. I really like the 7. Yeah, it adds some vignetting. It really makes sure you focus on the sun behind this people. All right, I'm gonna add this. There's not much more I'm gonna do. I just want to make sure that the horizon line is straight. So I will go to a crop. It's almost perfect. Apply, even though it's 1 degree. So again, I'm here. I don't know if this horizon is straight. It's always a little struggle. Okay, so again, I'm gonna click on this eye icon here in the bottom to see how the picture looked like before I started. So what we get, we started with this. We have that now. Now, I'm gonna set the flag. I'm gonna add this to my favorites. And because, like I said from the beginning, I shot these pictures at the same camera settings, or very similar, so they don't differ from each other that much. Let's see this. Yeah, that looks kind of cool. I'm gonna go here, right click on the picture, adjustment, and I'm just gonna copy these adjustments. And then I'm gonna go and look for another one which I really like. Okay. Nothing special. No. Okay. This one is cool. And if you want to have this picture, which will the editing will fit the first one which we did, what I basically gonna do, I'm just gonna click the right, click mouse, adjustments. I'm gonna pass these adjustments on the picture. It's gonna take a moment because the app is kind of sluggish. It's processing this image, and there you go. You see, so it's exactly edited the same adjustment I did to the previous one I have in this one. And then I'm gonna click this again to see how it was before I did anything and how this looks again. I think it's amazing. Like I said, this is very basic, very simple stuff. Let's check the catalog if there is something which I like as well. Alright, I like this one with this glass in here. Okay, let's maybe look for the different one. Do we have something interesting here as well? Okay, slowly. Now you see that's my favorite one here. That's another favorite one. Oh, I like this one. Okay, I like this one. So what I'm gonna do again, I will try, maybe it's gonna work, maybe not, because I see a little bit more shadows on this one. So I'm just gonna go to adjustments, past adjustments, it's processing. There you go. That's pretty amazing, yeah? And then before and after. I'm gonna go to edit now again, because I don't know, it's kind of this person here in the right corner doesn't work for me. So I'm gonna go to crop, and I'm gonna change this from horizontal to vertical, which is this click here, something like that. Make sure the horizon is straight, something like this. Apply, and there we go. So again, before I touch this picture, it was like this, and now it is like that. And I'm gonna right click again, set the flag, favorites, and then if I go to my catalog, if I go to my favorites, I'm gonna have these 3 pictures, just open, and then let's see if the mood, colors and everything fits, so they all look the same, kinda. Yeah. So that's the trick for you guys today. Like I said, this was very simple, very easy. If you have any questions, please ask me down in the comments, and hope I'm gonna help you. Hope this helps you with something. Follow me on Instagram to see more of my work. All the best. Go out and shoot as much as possible. Thanks.